Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. With Ramzan approaching, cooking in a budget is sharing iftar recipes ahead of time to help you prepare and store meals easily, allowing you to dedicate more time to ibadah during this blessed month. So let's start the recipe. All-purpose flour 1 cup. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Chicken powder 1/2 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1/4 teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil. Again mix. Now add 1/2 cup of water and knead a soft dough. Boiled and mashed potatoes 2. Salt to taste. Black pepper powder 1/2 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1/4 teaspoon. Chicken powder 1/2 tablespoon. Combine well. Make 8 to 9 small finger logs. Now roll the dough and cut it into circles. Place a potato log and shape them. Fry in a medium hot oil on medium flame. Fry until golden. Alhamdulillah. Our savory candies are ready. Serve hot. Let me know which iftar recipes you'd like to see, and I'll show you how to make them. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and share it. Comment below and tell us which iftar recipe you want next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.